we are off to go dig some clams in Ocean Shores, Washington. So our goal today is to dig 30 clams and get the hell off the beach as fast as we can. The next goal after that is to get home and eat clams, wonderfully prepared by my mother. I just about had a heart attack. I thought I had forgotten my license. And in Washington State, it is illegal not to have a license. So, always bring your license, kids. Cruising into Ocean Shores here now, and we gotta stop at the IGA for coleslaw. We're here at the IGA, and you can say goodbye to my $5 bill. We'll see you in a minute. Done with the IGA, and headed out to the Chance Alamere Beach Approach.